This is where everything comes from.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Let me introduce my Italian friend, Gemma. This is Diego.
I really need someone who can take me to places.
Drop everything and run away with me. God, that laugh. Do you want children?
Do you?
It's all I want.
I want a child with his eyes, with his neck. Let me tell you the story.
He's a good kid.
He's like his father.
I love you, Gemma. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.
Federal troops have attacked Dubrovnik at dawn.
We have to get out of here. You're not scared.
We are together. That's what matters.
First photo of your son. Do you love her?
Baby's coming.
Little dose of courage. This is where life comes from.
Are you ready?
Yes.